Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing colchicine, which is a medication used to treat an acute gout attack. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video, so be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on colchicine so you can follow along with me. Gout is a type of inflammatory arthritis that causes severe joint pain, swelling, and redness. It commonly affects the big toe, as shown in the image here. Gout is caused by hyperuricemia, which is elevated levels of uric acid in the bloodstream, which in turn leads to the formation of needle-like crystals in the joints. When it comes to treating gout with medications, colchicine is used to treat an acute gout attack, whereas other gout medications are used long-term on a daily basis to prevent future attacks. In terms of mode of action, colchicine interferes with the function of neutrophils, which is a type of white blood cell. This reduces the body's inflammatory response to the uric acid crystals in the joints, which in turn decreases inflammation and pain. Our silly hint to help you remember this medication is to look at the drug name colchicine, which kind of looks like cool chicken, and to think of two guys standing around. One guy has a chicken and the other guy is like, hey man, cool chicken. But then the chicken pecks the guy's toe and the guy yells out, ah, your chicken just pecked my gouty toe. Our viewers love this silly hint so much that we now use a cool chicken in all of our Level Up RN flashcards to designate a silly or helpful way to remember key information. Side effects of colchicine include gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. In addition, at high doses, colchicine can cause bone marrow suppression, leading to a decrease in red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, causing anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. In terms of patient teaching, you should advise your patient to take colchicine as soon as a gout flare begins for best results. In addition, they should avoid grapefruit juice, which could increase levels of colchicine in the body and cause toxicity. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Colchicine decreases levels of uric acid in the body. True or false? The answer is false. Medications used to treat chronic gout do decrease levels of uric acid in the body. Colchicine, on the other hand, decreases the body's inflammatory response to an acute gout attack. Question number 2. High doses of colchicine may cause bone marrow suppression. True or false? The answer is true. And question number 3, why should patients avoid grapefruit juice when taking colchicine? The answer is it can cause increased levels of colchicine in the body, which can lead to toxicity. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3. My pinky wanted to get in there. Just 3. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.